Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the order can be canceled. That saves time. Open My eBay and go straight to purchase history, then select the specific order. If the status reads awaiting shipment or in checkout, you can request cancellation immediately. Note the order number and seller username so you can reference them in messages. Once done, click Contact Seller or Cancel this order button when available. This initiates the process and creates an eBay record of your request. If the built-in Cancel this order button appears, use it and pick the reason so eBay logs it properly. If the button is missing, message the seller immediately. Write the order number, item title, and a clear cancellation request. Explain why and ask for confirmation. That encourages a quick accept. Once requested, watch messages and your email for the seller's response or eBay updates. Make sure to preserve screenshots and timestamps in case you need. When the seller accepts cancellation, you'll get a refund to your original payment method, usually within 3 to 10 business days, so check your payment account. If the seller declines or ignores the request, escalate by opening a cancellation request via the order page or filing a buyer protection case. eBay will mediate. If the item already shipped, request a return authorization or refuse delivery and track return shipping. Troubleshooting tip: if communication stalls, submit evidence, messages, screenshots, and timestamps to eBay for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.